1. Non-destructive cleaning and improve efficiency. The dry ice cleaning machine can completely remove the attached dirt, and can also reduce the disassembly and damage to the equipment, avoid affecting the operation and use of the equipment during cleaning, and fundamentally protect the equipment and improve productivity. The dry ice blasting machine can clean different equipment and can be used in conditions where water washing and sand blasting are prohibited. Point 2. Intelligent control and 3M high pressure tube. The dry ice cleaning machine adopts intelligent digital control, which can better adjust the ice output and effectively remove carbon on the surface area. It is equipped with a 3M high pressure rubber hose, which is wear resistant, anti-corrosion and anti-aging. The dry ice tank is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is rust and corrosion resistant. Large capacity, 7.5 kg. 3. User-friendly design. A universal wheel at the bottom of the dry ice blasting equipment supports 360 degrees rotation for cleaning, multifunction control panel, large knob control, precise positioning of dry ice spray.